Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable push notifications on Alibaba.com account. So first we're going to go to the Alibaba.com app. Then once you're here, going to click on My Alibaba found at the lower right corner. Then next you're going to click on Settings found at the top right corner of the app. Then here you're going to click on Notifications. Then click on Enable since we don't have any notifications enabled. So here we're going to click on Notifications and turn on Allow Notifications. So when we go back to the account and click on the push notifications, as you can see, all of them are turned on. The message, the promotions, orders, multimedia, feedback, and activities are all turned on. So the push notifications are all turned on. So that's how we basically do it. It's an important setting. Then you guys can continue with your shopping. They have different categories. So make sure to check them out. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.